Now let's go ahead and create the listing admin page. So if I open up the mockup for that page, you can see that it looks very similar to the My Listing page. The only extra column we have in the listing admin page is this authored by, which we can easily add in. So instead of creating the listing admin page from scratch, let's just duplicate the My Listing view. So let's jump back into views. So let me just close these tabs and let's go to structure, views, and then let's find My Listings and then click on the down arrow and then click on duplicate. And we'll call this listing admin and then click on duplicate. Okay, so let's go and remove the contextual filter because it's no longer required. And let's change the path because the path needs to be admin/content/listings and then click on apply. And let's change this tab and we'll change the link title to listings. And then the parent should be administration and then click on apply and then click on save. And let's now go to content and it should be there. Okay, here you can see the listings page, perfect. Now let's remove this create listing link. So to do that, just click on it and then click on remove. And if we have a look at our mockups, we need to add in the authored by to the table. So let's just do that now. Click on add and then search for authored by. And then let's just add this column in. Let's uncheck link label to the referenced entity. Click on apply. And then if you scroll down, you can see the actual user who owns the listing. But let's just reorder it so that it is after, where is it? Yes, after listing categories. So let's scroll back up, rearrange the fields, click on apply, and now you can see that authored by is after listing categories, perfect. And we need to add in an extra exposed filter. So an admin can filter the list by the authored by user. So let's go back to our view, click on add in the filter criteria section and search for authored by, click on add, and then make sure you check expose this filter to visitors. And I think we can leave everything as it is and click on apply. And then now if we search for, say, just admin and then click on the apply button, now we can easily filter this table by the admin user. Okay. And let's have a look at our mockups again. And I think the last thing we need to do is add in this results summary. And also let's change the title as well. So let's change this to listing admin. And to add this results summary, click on add in the header area and then search for result summary and then just click on add. And then just leave this as it is. And then click on save. Now, the last thing we need to do is change this permission. Very important, because if I was to open up a private window and go directly to content, what is it? Admin/content/listings. You can see I've got access to this page, but I'm not even logged in. So this is very important. We need to make sure that this page is locked down. So to lock it down, we need to change it to a different permission because view published content is available by default to anonymous users. Let's change this permission so that a user who has access to this content page also has access to the listing page. Now, the best way to figure out which permission is used for this page is to just open it up. So let's go to views. I will open up the views page in another tab and let's edit the content view, and you can see that to access this view, you need the access content overall page permission. So where's that? That's under node. So let's go back to our listing admin, click on view publish content, and then find node, and then make sure you select access the content overall page, and then click on apply, and then click on save. And then if we open up a private window and then go to the listing admin page, we should get an access denied. Perfect. Okay, so we have locked down the page. So let me just close these tabs. And then if we refresh, we should see our page with the title of listing admin. And then we have our 2 exposed filters, and we also have our results summary. So I think that is it for this view.